So far, I don't think we're ready, and I feel like we need to get ready. Musicians, music creators, people that work in the music industry, people that work in a lot of anything that has to do with music, even if it's not necessarily to come up with a beat or to sing or to play an instrument, as long as you are participating in the music world, something huge is coming. And I'm not trying to scare anybody here. Hey guys, hello. Abshen mashaka inota kambana Vitora mina Mandla Gingirikani kamashawa. Nikenzeshnul kwa me join Nkanelo Gingirikani. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo Gingirikani. If you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and also hit that notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are not left behind. So don't be left behind, guys. Guys, I'm shocked. I just discovered something. I'm actually scared. That's why I have a story to tell. Artificial intelligence is already influencing the way we are consuming music, even the way the music is created, guys. Are we ready for that? Nah, that is the question. Are our artists equipped enough to understand that artificial intelligence is impacting the music industry in a gigantic way? Are they ready to skill themselves so that they can relieve a lot of burden from other things, save a lot of money because of artificial intelligence? Are we moving with the times? There are questions about whether artificial intelligence can replace the creative juice that comes with a human being, right? Well, maybe we need to define what is artificial intelligence before we continue. Well, artificial intelligence is tsonga ni nga swi hlamusela ku I ku tirhisiwa ka michini ku endla mintirho leyi a yi fanele endla hi vanhu. Already swi vonini emasin'wini se ku na titeretere leti ti rimaka tlhe ti byala hi toxe. If swi move swi ya ka tikhampani so la ku ndliwa mabikiri tidlazi maybe khala ku endla vanhu na timovha masiku lama loko swi languta lava endlaka kona ti-factory, there are machines moving things in different directions ku va va assembler movha u ze u hanya. Swi sweswo swi le ku humeleleni le ka the music industry. The question is, are we ready as artists? Are we ready as consumers of the music art, or just as spectators? Are we ready for that change? Because there is already change that is happening. I once made a video here talking about the need for Shitsonga musicians or just any other artists out there to make sure that whenever they do their music, they distribute it online. That was actually an idea by some guy who actually sold his company. I think it used to be called the Orchard. The Orchard is the person who created the Orchard, which was an online tool for people to distribute music online. Mitsika kutresa CD ne. When they the post na psychology va distribute the CD. Aufe moyo nao hivitora yeso shikata barakatekete aufe. So there is artificial intelligence taking place already in the music world with streaming. We know about it, so Spotify and everything. But are we ready? Because artificial intelligence is taking over the world. Lots of companies already are making sure they come up with like maybe it's target 2030. It's estimated that by 2030, over 70% of companies will have already employed maybe one aspect of artificial intelligence in their production, everyday production, right? But in the music world already it's happening. and it's gonna happen in a bigger scale. The question is, are we ready for that change? Because first it was the distribution, which was done online now with Spotify, or what call it? No, those are shops, right? But Anchor, Disc Droid, all those things. That is actually using what is there to distribute music. Firstly, it was just an idea. The guy who came up with the Orchard is the one that actually came up with this idea of distribute the music, the need for to distribute music online. And Sony, I think Sony bought that company. I think he sold it to Sony for $200 US, 200,000 US. Guys, I don't know what, somewhere there, some 200,000 something, but it's not US dollars. Ashka, right? But now, artificial intelligence is going to impact the world in a different way. I mean, that's why questions are being asked whether the artificial intelligence that the DJ, like an artificial robot or something that is DJing, playing the decks and all that, people dancing, or are also going to have artificial crowds because of this artificial intelligence. But there's also already debates, Corey. Promoters or people that are doing events, they need to move with times to adopt, probably to give a live experience to virtual fans. I think it's already happening. We've seen it with the concert that was happening at the here in Soweto, FNB Stadium, where they were raising money, something to do with Mandela. I forgot the name of the concert, where Beyonce and Jay-Z was here. There was virtual audience in that thing, and virtual audience in this form of TV because it was live, But now we talk about online, where you find that some of the concerts cannot be streamed on a live television, but then event organizers ready to participate in that kind of realm in terms of music, or music distribution, or music giving music experience to the consumers. Are they ready to employ those kind of things, virtual audience in live concert? So kuba a norm kuri loko kuba na concert kumbe kuba na gig kuba na virtual audience. Itangena iti link, then we're able to, I mean, it's already happening. I mean, loko kuba na the gig, they go online and watch on Facebook to see who is streaming this thing live. But the organizers themselves are actually not taking advantage of that. That's why I'm like, oh my gosh, okay. But it's not my place, right? Are event organizers ready for that? That's the question. Are we ready as musicians to take advantage of what artificial intelligence is there for us for? Are we ready to participate or partake or take advantage of the tools, the resources that artificial intelligence is bringing? I mean, people can make beats through, even if you don't have to play. I mean, because artificial intelligence is made for people that actually probably cannot do the kind of work, but then now they employ the services of artificial intelligence to create a beat or to have backing vocalists using artificial intelligence. Kakuyimbelela mchini iredina loko ma distributa ti CD hi voko kare ha timovha to tlanga CD masculine. But then that's another debate. But are our musicians ready and well equipped, or are they trained? Is the government doing anything to train our musicians around the concept of AI, artificial intelligence? I doubt. And with the kind of world that we're moving, artificial intelligence is going to play a major role in how music is created, how music is distributed. But are we ready? Vanhu va Xitsonga tinkambi ta ka hina mi ready na? Anomchavisa I mahungu lama ni nga mi khomela wona. Ka video leyi landzelaka ni ta mi nyika swikhedzakhedzana swa mune, maybe 4 4 things that are being already visible in terms of what artificial intelligence is already doing in the music world. I mean, there are plenty, but I'll probably give you 4 major ones that are already, you know, videoly nola fusha matandeni. Remember, here we don't talk about people, we talk about issues. That's why we want to talk about these kind of issues. If you're a music fan, do you know that currently, maybe that it will be in the next video. Okay, let me save that for the next video. Artificial intelligence. Guys, please Google AI or artificial intelligence and see what it's all about. The question here is, Shana, tinkambi taka hina ti ready to participate in the music world while taking advantage of artificial intelligence now? Because there will be times where you find that kutava ka hari hava munhu wo chaya, where if I need to chayela where she is an artist. You can take advantage of the artificial intelligence. I mean, already kuna the softwares leti tirhisiwaka ku chaya. I think the first time loko ku endliwa an electronic music, that's what it's called, electronic music piece, somewhere around 1950 something. Some computer guy in Britain made beats using the computer. That's what it was called, electronic music. That was the first time computer in the music, 1957, 58, somewhere there. But then that idea was developed later. That's why the software stuff and what do you call it? What do you call these softwares? Those softwares that you use to make music. There are a lot of them. You know, Fruit Loop, that is artificial intelligence being employed slowly, even though it takes a lot of human assistance so far. But then there will be time. Already I've seen on Spotify they actually have a tool where you can actually just make your own music. Maybe I'll talk about it more in the next video, guys. Video lana kuputisa kore shana the artist ka ina ready ku participate ka this music industry that we love so much, because AI is already influencing the way things are happening, because changes are going to happen drastically, and I don't want you to be caught, you know, unprepared. You know, be ready, guys, to move with the ship, because you can't still be distributing CDs like the CD guys. Like, come on. Even na bakegula mascom lokwa ingisela music ba ingisela iti phone bana ti phone bakegula, you know, bakaja on that phone na bona, they listen to music in their phones. You know, that is artificial intelligence being employed. Because I mean, who thought a cell phone can play music? It was never an idea until recently. You know, in number 2000, number 90 something, I was still going to after a tape. You know, then show evolve actually. So the music world is evolving. They always argue, Kuri, every 10 years, listen very carefully, every 10 years, the music world transform or changes, or there's a disruption. So if you thought there will be another disruption in the music world, look at tech. Look what technology is doing. That is the disruption that's going to happen in the music world. So the artist Totala, I once interviewed an artist here, MJ Hlungwan, one of them. May he so rest in peace, MJ Hlungwan, Kukwan MJ Hlungwan Kadumela. He actually said, he told me the reason he stopped being an artist is because so whenever writer computer was making music, and the generation yabo Kukwan MJ, Kukwan George, they were not really ready until some of them were workshopped. Some of them didn't like it. They're like, hi, this thing social so has tika. So I take a look at computer and the music. They were not for it. They were against the fact that even today, but criticize the producers related to music in computer, because that is artificial intelligence. But there's more bigger things that are coming, guys. That's what I'm here to say. Guys, get ready. Watch my next video. I want to tell you how the world is changing in terms of music creativity and music experience. So please stick around for that one on Nkanelo Gingirikani. AI, artificial intelligence in the music world. How is it impacting the creation? How is it impacting the creation of music? Are we ready? Do we know what's happening? Do we know what's coming? Those are the questions I have. And this is all of it done to help you, because here we do educational content. We talk about issues. We don't talk about people. Let's differentiate it. Artificial intelligence is here. Are we ready to participate? That's the question. And it's a very serious question, this one. Are we ready to participate? I don't think we are ready. So far, I don't think we're ready. And I feel like we need to get ready. Musicians, music creators, people that work in the music industry, people that work in a lot of anything that has to do with music, even if it's not necessarily to come up with a beat or to sing or to play an instrument, as long as you are participating in the music world, something huge is coming. And I'm not trying to scare anybody here. All I'm trying to say is music vunanga byi ta cinca, ku ta va na ku cinca lokukulu loku ku nga ta va kha ku vangiwa hi michini leyi nga ta hamba yi endlisa yi operate hi ku endla swilo swo tala leswi swi nga around vunanga kumbe xana ku yimbelela kumbe xana music kumbe hinkwaswo, even na ku yimbelela, you know. So I want to tell you 4 things, just 4 in the next video. Please stick around. My name is Legere X Dors. I'm testing it tora. Ni kan ku salute. Minga titimeli. Guys, minga titimeli.